Good morning. Today we will present about our human detection system. This is our members of the group and YouTube link will be provided soon. Problem background. The increasing need for enhanced security, improved monitoring, and efficient resource management across various sectors has brought the limitations of traditional human observation and existing surveillance technologies into sharp focus. While advancements in digital imaging and data storage have revolutionized surveillance capabilities, the sheer volume of visual data generated often overwhelms human operators, leading to critical information being missed or delayed. Objective: to detect human body in noisy environment and to detect multiple human body. Methodology. This is our flowchart. How will the flowchart work? Firstly, it will print out option for selecting image condition detection. Then, it will run the detection model based on what the input was. After running, it will show the output. This is some of the codes. Switch. This is the extension for the switch case. And these two. And is this the supporting function.
For the output, it can detect clearly in sufficient light. Night output, it can detect when light is scarce. For crowded output, no problem even on multiple person, but there is some that are not detected because more than half the body is covered. For output people in background, there's no problem, even person in background, but it did not detect one person in the front maybe because that person is the only one holding an item in the hand. For output that have two people, there's no problem for two person, but it detects something in the background, but the confidence is low. For output that have three people, no problem for three person, but it detects something in the background, but the confidence is low. While for this is for output, there's salt and pepper. It detect the person nicely even in salt and pepper test, but for noise 0.14, sometimes it detect more than one person, so maybe it is not too reliable. For conclusion, SCF and YOLO V4 is a good way to detect human body. While there might be some drawbacks such as anomalies, most of the time it can predict human body correctly. The constraint that we face is we cannot do our custom SCF model. And this is our references that we refer.
First off, we use the SCF detector that we get from MATLAB to detect the dataset that they use for detecting the people, and we will also use the YOLO detector to enhance the accuracy of the project of the data. So this is what they call a fusion of SCF and YOLO V4. In this case, we also use B boxes to highlight the images of the human that is detected by the program. We also use the result to show the confidence of the program itself, either it's 80, 94, 40, and so on. All of these are in percentage, of course. Other than that, we also use image enhancement. Image enhancement is the function is to enhance the image, so the program can see the image more clearly. And finally, we also use noise. The noise is to ensure that the program can see the human, the people in a more blurry way. Or if let's say you want to use blurry camera, CCTV camera, and you want to detect a human, this will ensure that this program can do that. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Now I will present about the coding section. Here are some of the output. For this one, we can choose 1 until 4 for option 1. This is the output for option 1. Then we can run it again for option 2. This is the output for option 2, option 3, see the output, and for different pictures, use some only. Then for option 4, we tested it on different noise level. This is higher, lower, and even lower. That's all from me. Thank you.